तुम सब ना कौन पाठ पढ़ुछ स्कूल रे को क्लास रे तृतीय रे समस्त तृतीय रे हाँ कौन पढ़ा होछि क्लास रे तुम ना कौन
मोहन
मोहन तुम ना
कैलाश
कैलाश तुम ना
दुर्गा सोरेन
दुर्गा दुर्गा षडंगी सोरेन दुर्गा सोरेन अच्छा अच्छा समस्त क्लास रे पढ़ुछ तृतीय श्रेणी रे पढ़ुछ नहीं आउ पाठ पढ़िया भल लाଗୁଛି कौन पढ़ा होछि तमर पाठ ए लॉकडाउन पे क्लास रे पढ़ा होनी को स्कूल रे पढ़ुछ जम्बू अच्छा हाय फ्रेंड्स this is truly incredible we have driven through a beautiful landscape a countryside landscape near Dalichoda Kila Dalichoda it took almost 1.5 hours to reach here this is a village surrounded by the hills of Kapilas range it is inhabited by the Santal tribe so we are going to meet some of the Santali people here Santal is one of the largest tribes in India who are found in northern part of Odisha then Jharkhand part of West Bengal and also in northeast so they speak in a language called Mundari Santali of course the language but it comes under the Austroasiatic Mundari language group and they have a very colorful life
आमे थिलु मयूरभंज रे थिलु केउंझर रे थिलु जम्बू रे केन्द्रापड़ा जिला जम्बू रे 1972 रो जो डेवास्टेटिंग साइक्लोन दैट लास्टेड द एंटायर कोस्टल एरिया सेठी सफा कर दना कदर चली गला अपन जानि से बळा तो सेति बेले आमे सब वी आर जस्ट नोमैडिक टाइप ऑफ पीपल मयूरभंज थिलु घर द्वार अच्छी और किड्स एंड किड्स आर ऑल्सो देयर आम बंधु बांधव ज्ञाति कुटुंब वंशधर सब अच्छा से जीवास करूँ से एमती है खाद्य पेयर घोर अभाव सांताली जते केते कहार कहार वश्यता स्वीकार करे ना खटब खाइब से कार के ठकी आण रुबई काटू ग्रास कर से कथा सांताल शिखी नहीं
Friends, you can see such beautiful color patterns, the triangles, they're forming a pattern here and there's a black band and then you have a portico here and this is one of the Santali houses. It's actually a cattle shed I believe because inside is dark so this is a cattle shed. Friends, I am in one of the Santali houses here. You can see beautiful patterns and the colors here, and these are all geometric patterns and the floral motifs. And this is truly incredible and not very far from Kila Dalichoda. So Santal, as I said, is a community, one of the Austroasiatic communities, one of the largest tribes of India. They live mostly in the Chotnagu Plateau and also in Assam. So this is truly magical. I mean, when you think about the vernacular architecture in India, we completely underestimate. But if you come across such kind of ethnic vernacular architectures and with beautiful colors and motifs, this is truly magical. And this is the beauty of slow travel in rural India or rural Odisha. So this is truly amazing.
सेटा कौन आमर ये जो मकर पूर्वर मकर थी कहीं आमर फंक्शन हुए ଗାଁରେ ଯେଉଁ ଫୁଟବଲ ଖେଳ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ଆମର ଆଦିବାସୀର ଫୁଟବଲ ଖେଳ ଗୋଟେ ହୁଏ। ତେଣୁକରି ଆମେ ଡକୁ ଗ୍ରାମାଞ୍ଚଳରେ ଆମର ଖେଳ ହେଉଛି। ଏ ବର୍ଷ ମାନେ ଆମର ହେଇଗଲାଣି କକା 12-13 ବର୍ଷରୁ ଉର୍ଦ୍ଧ୍ୱ ବେଶୀ 22-23 ବର୍ଷ ଆମର ଖେଳଟା। ତେଣୁକରି ଆମର ଆସନ୍ତି ଆମର ଆଦିବାସୀ ସମ୍ପ୍ରଦାୟର ଯେତିକି ତ ଆମ ଘରଟା ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ ବି ପ୍ରାଇଜ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତି। କୁହନ୍ତି କିଏ ଏମିତି କାନ୍ଥ ଯେଉଁ ଯାହାର ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଦେଖାଯିବ ଯାହାର ଇଏ ଦେଖାଯିବ ତ ପ୍ରାଇଜ୍ ବି ଥାଏ। ତାପରେ ଆମର ତ ଆଦିବାସୀ ମାନଙ୍କର ତ ଏଇଭଳିଆ ହିଁ ଇଏ ସେଥିଲାଗି ଆମର ଏମିତି ହିଁ ହୁଏ ବୁଝିଲେ। ଆଉ ସେ କାନ୍ଥରେ ବି ତାଙ୍କ କାନ୍ଥରେ ବି ଯେଉଁ ବିର୍ସା ମୁଣ୍ଡା କ'ଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି କି ନାଇଁ ବିର୍ସା ମୁଣ୍ଡା ସେଇଠି ଚିତ୍ର କରିଛନ୍ତି। ତେଣୁକରି ଆମର ଆର୍ଟିଷ୍ଟ ନୁହଁ ନିଜ ନିଜ ଘରେ ହିଁ ଆମେ ତିଆରି କରୁ। କାହାକୁ ଡାକୁନା ତିଆରି କରିବାକୁ। ଏଇଟା ଆମ ଘରର ମୋ ଭଉଣୀମାନେ ହିଁ ତିଆରି କରିଛନ୍ତି। ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ନିଜ ଘରର ନିଜେ ସ୍ୱୟଂ ତିଆରି କରନ୍ତି।
Friends, you can see such a beautiful wall here. You can see different bands, the yellow and the red, and all of these are art colors. We are going to discover that how these colors are brought here, the soil is brought here, and what colors are applied.
ଏଇଟା 2 ତାରିଖ
এটা কোঠু আনছ
2 ତାରିଖ
হিলটপ পাহাড় উপরু
ହଁ ପାହାଡ଼ ଉପରେ।
আচ্ছা
ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଇଏ ଗାଡ଼ା ନେଇ ଗାଡ଼ା ଏଇଟା ନଦୀ ଟାଟା
এটা নদীর আসছে।
ହଁ
আচ্ছা
ମାଟିରେ ବାହାରୁଛେ ଯେ ଏଇଟା ନଦୀ କରେ
ନଦୀ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି।
ଅଛି।
আচ্ছা
ଏଇଟା ବି ସେଇଠି
এটা কোটে আসছে
এইଟା ବି ଟାଟା
নদীরু।
ହଁ
আচ্ছা আর কলাটা কোটে আসছে
କଳା ବି ଏଇ ଟାଟା ଏଇଟା ତ ଆଣିନି ସେଇଟା ସବୁ ସରିଯାଇଛି। ଏଇ ଜୁରର ଆଣୁଛ
কোটু আনছ এটা
ଜୁର
জুরো মানে
ନାଳ
নাড়ারু আনছ। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা এটা হলদিয়া রঙটা।
ହଁ
ওকে
Friends, what we see here today is one traditional original Santal lady just besides me holding some natural colors on her hand. This she has derived, this is a yellow color ochre. She is derived from a local nala or a stream. What we have here also is an reddish sand. On one side you have one white sand and then another is another beautiful color, all natural dye. Santal communities have been living with nature for hundreds and hundreds of years. They are so inclusive to nature and wilderness that it is unbelievable until and unless somebody comes here, visits their homes and see how rich they are in actual knowledge. When I say rich in actual knowledge means it's not learning about ABCD or solving a formula, but living with nature means they have hold and they have upgraded themselves to such rich knowledge of diversity that it is unbelievable unless somebody really comes and visits and meets them and see how they live their life. So that is one of the reasons their life is so pure, so fertile with imagination. You can see their houses, they paint their houses with these little colors of sand for purity. You know, all these colors of sand are nothing but sense of purity that reflects that their soul is so pure. Their soul is imbued with nature, and that is what I call richness of life. We have unnecessarily adopted Western lifestyle, forgetting our rich past. But thanks to these people, with so much of Western influence, they have still been able to keep their culture alive. I'm really thankful to Mausi, the old lady, that she has been courteous to invite us to the house and showing us about their culture. really, if you want to know what life is all about and give a real beautiful color to your life, mesmerize yourself to this side of traveling, understand, learn more about nature, learn more about human life. I think you will enrich yourself to a much better quality life. Thank you so much.
Friends, I'm in one of the homes, with one person. Matter?
Chaitanya.
His name is Chaitanya. He's having his lunch, pakhala bhata, you can see. And these are fish. You can see the fish, how, they are made into two pieces. And the head as well as the lower part of the fish. So this is how mate टी कहबे विषय कोन केमति करंती कोड आनंदी माछटा
एड़ा पोखरी धरा आछनी
अच्छा ओके
पोखरी धरा है जी एमाने ना ताको काटिगोला छड़ा है जी तापरे टिके सुके देची तेल रे ये हेबे फ्राई करी
आगे Hi friends, a lovely afternoon here in a Santali village. Shantala is one of the tribes in Odisha. They are found mostly in the Chotanagpur plateau in the districts of Mayurbhanj and also in the surrounding Jharkhand and West Bengal. So it is one of the most, Santals are one of the most prosperous tribal communities in the whole of India. They speak in Santali language which belong to the Austro-Asiatic language group, the Mundari language group. Though it is not their main habitat because they are found mostly in the Chotanagpur plateau. This is the Garjat area surrounding Kapilas hills and the forest, not very far from Kiradalijoda. We will try to understand their history here, how did they migrate and why did they migrate here. And but you can see that the houses and the patterns used in the houses are so colorful. So we have seen that how beautifully they design the outer walls of the house, and each pattern has a story to tell, which represents their history, their complex history, their adaptation, their culture, their migration, the surrounding hills, the paddy fields, the mountains, the rivers, all are represented through their murals. So this is what is the beauty of vernacular architecture in India. So you go to Bhil's houses in Madhya Pradesh in central India, or the Rathwa Bhils, or the Baiga communities, or the Gond communities. You will find also such beautiful colorful houses. But in this part of India you have the Santali houses, very colorful. So this is what is the beauty. So let's explore the village now, and thank you so much.